So good morning students. Today we are going to see about Unit 7 Computer and Introduction. Siva, hey Salim, I saw your father coming with a big parcel yesterday. I guess you could have brought a new television. Am I right? It's not a computer television, Siva. We brought a new computer. Oh, I see. Computer. I have seen it used in textile shop for billing only. Malar, not only it is used to in textile shops, but also in railway stations, banks, ATMs, and in many places. It is used even in our local post offices. Hey, I have seen it in my school also. Is it only in your school, Nancy? I think your father is also having a computer. Yes, is my father having a computer? Without my knowledge, I am sure that my father does not have a computer. He has only a mobile phone. Salim, that's what I say. Your father's mobile phone is also like a computer. Oh no, Salim, what do you mean? How can a mobile phone be a compare with a computer? Nancy, we usually think that computer should be like a big TV and a box attached with it. But computers are available in different shapes. The work which are done with a computer can also be done using a smartphone. There may be difference in their speed, but their operations remains the same. The big computers are shrunk into a small phones nowadays because of the technology development. Most of us think that smartphones are only to make calls because of its handy look, but it is not so. What about laptop and tablets? Are they same like computer we usually think of? Yes, they are all the same. There are different types of computer, but their performance vary according to their capacity. That's okay, Salim. Why do you need a computer in for home? What will you do it? I can use it to draw, paint, play games, and I can learn and develop my general knowledge. Salim, you know know more about computers? I know very little about computers. As my father uses computer in his office, he knows much about it. I share very little of that I have learned from my father. Teacher is coming. What is going on? We are discussing about the computer, sir. Oh, I see. That's nice. I will explain about computers in detail. First, I will explain you what is computer. Computer is an electronic device that processes the data and information according to our needs. We can save the data and convert it into information. Computers are used in many ways. We are eager to know who invented computers, sir. In the beginning of 19th century, Charles Babbage, a professor in mathematics, designed an analog computer. He is known as the father of computer. The basic structure designed by him is being used in many computers nowadays. Similarly, Augusta Ada Lovelace is admired as the first programmer as she developed essential commands for the mathematical operations. So he is the Charles Babbage. He is born in 1991 to 1971. This is Augusta Ada Lovelace, 1815 to 1852. Sir, can you tell us which device was used before the invention of computer? In the early stage, there was no computer. Initially, the people used a tool called abacus for calculation. Later, they started using a device called calculator for calculation. Wow, it's really interesting, sir. Then, when did computer come into use, sir? Good question, Selvi. Computer did not come directly from abacus. The computer that we are using today belongs to 5th generation. Oh, were there 4 more generations previous to this? Yes, Nancy, you are correct. Sir, can I explain us about the 5 generations? Sure, I can explain. In first generation computer, vacuum tubes was used. In the second generation computers, they used transistors. In the third generation computers, they used integrated circuits, that is called IC. In the fourth generation computers, they used microprocessor. And finally, in the fifth generation computers, they use artificial intelligence. So this is the first generation computers. It is 1942, 1956. Okay, it is occupied in a big room. Okay. Second generation computer. This is the second generation computer. It is shrink into some small space. And this is the third generation computers, 1964 to 1971. Mainly the IBM machine, the company they designed this computer. The fourth generation computer, 1976 to 1999. It is mainly used by microprocessor. And fourth generation computer, sir, we are eager to know more about the present computer which we use. Data and information are the two important elements in computers. Sir, what is mean by data? Data is the information that has to be processed. It cannot be used directly by us. Generally, they are in the form of numbers, alphabets, and images. Sir, then what is information? Information is a form of processed data. Sir, what is software and hardware? The commands or programs that are used in a computer are called software. The software can be divided into two types. One is operating system software, another one is application software. So what is operating software? Nancy, software that is used to operate the computer is called operating software. I think you are familiar with Windows and Linux operating system. Then what is application software? Application software is a software that is used to run a particular program. For example, the software used for painting, playing games in computer. Oh, I have learned much information about computer today, sir. Okay, sir. Then what is hardware? The parts that are available in computer that helps the software to work is hardware. Sir, please tell us more about it. Yes, sure I will. Whatever we want to send to a computer is sent through a device called input device. For example, the keyboard, mouse and other input devices. The data or information that has been sent to the computer are displayed out or reproduced through some devices. These are called as output devices. For example, printer, monitor and so on. Okay, sir. Then what is CPU? Nancy, it is the central processing unit. You can learn and understand more about CPU in the higher classes. Thank you so much, sir. Today we learned and understand more about information about computers. Students, thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you very much. Best of luck.